I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Fonts, Google.com, and immediately filter for category and language so you only see usable families. Once you spot a candidate, select the family and pick the exact weights or variable axes you need. This reduces payload and speeds rendering. Make sure to choose an embed method now, link tag for simple sites, add import for quick prototypes, or the NPM package when you build with bundlers. Doing this first saves rework later and clarifies the next integration steps. You add the provided link into your HTML head or paste the add import into your main stylus sheet so the browser fetches the files. Once loaded, declare the font family in your CSS and include a system fallback, set font display, swap to avoid invisible text and to improve perceived performance. If you chose a variable font, use font variation settings or font weight ranges to control axes. Also make sure to pre-connect to fonts G-static to reduce latency for faster rendering. You now preview the site in multiple browsers and on mobile to confirm weights, italics, and fallbacks render as expected. This validates the font family naming and font display behavior. Once done, optimize by preloading critical fonts, subsetting for specific languages, and auditing network size to cut milliseconds. When deploying, clear caches and ensure your build includes the font files. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to verify the exact embed URL and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.